Elevated fire danger continues for North Texas. And I'll tell you what, that elevated fire danger is going to stick around until we have some rain. And I don't have any rain of any substance in my forecast. The next chance of rain is Sunday. It's 20, maybe 30% of us pick up a little bit of rain, maybe a rumble or two of thunder. Hopefully the weather pattern changes. But right now, for the remainder of the month, other than this chance of rain on Sunday, that is it. So until we have some substantial rains around here, the fire threat is going to stay at a minimum. At a minimum, it will stay enhanced, if not a critical situation. So as the winds pick up over the next couple of days, fairly windy weather as we head through Tuesday, Wednesday, a little bit as well on Thursday. The high winds, the low humidity, the dry, dormant grass, fire danger continues to stay at least elevated.